Since HSIs can be naturally represented as third order tensors, we reformulate the degradation model in the SCI systems as a tensor based form, which can friendly allow us to characterize the underlying low rank structure of HSIs. We propose a low rank tensor optimization model with non-local PNP regularizers, which simultaneously explores the global low rankness, uh, non-local transformed sparsity, and non-local low rankness. More specifically, 3T TNN is used to characterize the global correlation of the underlying HSI. Two implicit regularizes the under the PNP framework depict the inter patch and the intra patch redundancy of similar patches of the coefficient tensor. We design an efficient ADMM based algorithm to solve the proposed model. Experimental results on HSI datasets demonstrate the superiority of the proposed method in terms of evaluation indices and visual effects. Okay, and then here notations and preliminaries. Here notations here using lowercase letter scalar x, boldface lowercase vectors. This is vector. This is this x here the in this paper notations. This is scalars. This is vectors. This is matrices. Vectors for matrices. And the tensor, this calligraphic letters for tensors. This is tensors respectively. Yeah, we already were doubted with this. No? So this also x, but it tensors fall in the definitions for third order tensor. X Rn into R power x epsilon n1 into n2 into n2 the power of n1 into n2 into 3. We use x of ijk, x tensor ijk, and x of ij colon to denote ijk, the element and ij the ijth tube. We use x of k, x of k colon and x of colon k colon and x of colon k to denote the kth model. One horizontal, mode 2 lateral, and mode 3 frontal slices respectively. For conciseness, the kth frontal slices is denoted as xk. The Frobenius norm of the third order tensor x is defined x defined as x mod f equal to that is root of x summation ijk mod of x ijk whole square mod of this mod is the first Fourier transform FFT of x along the third dimensions is denoted as x bar, that is x bar FFT of x open close bracket 3 and the corresponding inverse FFT is defined as x I equal to I FFT x open close bracket 3. Generalized definitions. Definitions 1, mode n permutation Here definition to tensor product and mode and tensor product. Here definition 3 tensor nuclear norm. TNN is defined X mod TNN summation of k equal to 1 to 3 k and mod x bar k. X bar k denotes the kth front slice of the tensor x bar. Definition for 3 TNN. The 3 TNN of x is r power n1 into n3 is this equation. X mod 3 TNN equal to alpha 1 x bar 1 and TNN plus alpha 2 x2 TNN plus alpha 3 x3 summation of k equal to 1 to 3 alpha k equal to 1 alpha k equal to is greater than 0 or equal to 0. The definition tensor plus slice product given XPE summation R1 n1 into n3 y summation R1 R power n1 into n3. The tensor slice product X convolution Y is a tensor X epsilon R n power R power n1 plus sorry into n1 n1 into n2 into 1, that is Z equal to X convolution Y equal to k equal to 1 to n3 summation of k equal to 1 to n3 x of colon k with conversion to y colon k, where Hamad product, this one Hamad product this denotes plug and play framework. This equation works p psi of y equal to argument minimum x psi of x plus 1 power 2 rho mod x minus y 2 which maps to y summation epsilon r power n1 into n2 n3 to x asterisk epsilon r power n1 into n2 into n3 where psi of dot is the regularizer and rho is the parameter. Model algorithm tensor based degradation model y equal to pi x plus n where pi epsilon r power m into m n3 is the sensing matrix x is epsilon r power m n3 denotes the original data, y epsilon r power m denotes the observation and n epsilon r power m. X epsilon r power n1 into n2 into n3 here h epsilon r power n1 n2 n1 into n2 into n3 equal to y epsilon r power n1 into n2 into 1. Yes. Here convolution very equal. Illustration of the SCI process denoted by the tensor slice product see the option 5 from left to the right the original HSI, the encoding mask, the measurement respectively pi equal to diagonal of d1 comma diagonal of d2 comma diagonal of dn3 where dk epsilon rm k equal to 1, 2, up to n3. Here y equal to he conversion x plus n, where vector hk equal to dk and hk epsilon r power n1 into n2, n1 into n2 equal to m is the kth frontal slice of h. Figure 2 shows conversion process of HSI. Proposed GNLR model algorithm, and then only the algorithm, one ADMM algorithm for solving GNLR. Input measurement y, mask h, increment sigma, and stopping criteria epsilon, insulation x naught, e naught, x power naught, e power naught, z power naught equal to e power naught of t in x3 x power naught, the initial dimensions of subspace r power 0, while x power t plus 1 minus t x power t mod of and f divided by x power t mod of x power t into f greater than epsilon do. Update x power t plus 1 by 14 update p power t plus 1 by 17, update t q power t plus 1 by 19, update e power t plus 1 by 21, update z power t plus 1 by 23, update w power t plus 1 k by 25, update multiplies by 26, update r power t plus 1 equal to minimum of r power t del t n3 end while output reconstructed x. Numerical experiments. Data sets. For 4 HSI data sets are selected, including Pavia, KV, third one, Harvard, and the ICVL data sets. The detailed information of the 4 data sets are as follows. Remotely sensitive HSIs are selected, that is Pavia Center and Pavia University. Pavia Center is 1096 into 1096 image with 1096 vector collected by the reflective optics system imaging spectrometer ROSIS optical sensor over the area of Pavia Center. The CAVE dataset comes from the Computer Vision Association and contains 32 images. The Harvard dataset records 52 images from 420 to 720 nanometer with 10 nanometer increments. The ICEL dataset currently records 201 images from 400 to 1000 nanometer with an increment of 1.25 nanometer. Results on HSI datasets. PSNR values of each band of all methods, different HSIs, toy, pin, plant, Pavin Center, Pavia University. Brand number in x-axis, y-axis, BSNR values 0 to 40. Here brand number 0 to 30. And then here different color according to gap TV. This one GNLR different is there. So quantitative comparison of reconstructed results and running time in minutes by different